The 3080 Ti. It only took 5 cancellations and 10 postponements, but it looks like Nvidia may finally be giving us an official announcement on the 3080 Ti. Maybe. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today we've got some tech news for you, and it looks like Nvidia may finally be announcing the 3080 Ti soon. Now, in the past guys, we've had so many cancellations and postponements and thought this was going to happen and maybe shoulda, coulda, wouldas of the 3080 Ti coming out and being announced soon, but it never happened. But today it looks like we have some legitimate news that is actually worth reporting to you guys on the 3080 Ti, and it looks like from what I'm seeing, this might actually happen really soon. Let's get into it.
According to videocards.com, the 3080 Ti has been spotted being shipped out to retailers already. This photo that was taken of a crate containing what appears to be labeled as a 3080 Ti Ventus 3X OC. The shipment of GPUs comes in a large box that was headed to LA, containing 3080s, 3090s, and GT 710s, and of course the one that we are here for, the 3080 Ti. It also appears that the amount of VRAM that has been up in the air for the last 3 times that the card's been cancelled or postponed has finally been confirmed and revealed at 12 gigabytes. Which will put this above the 3080 and may make most a bit more comfortable with the amount of VRAM being stuffed into the top tier GPU for Nvidia. If you're not familiar with the other specs of the 3080 Ti, we should be seeing a card with very similar performance to the 3090 minus some VRAM. Now keep in mind, this GPU has not been officially announced by Nvidia themselves just yet, but after seeing this, it could mean that we may hear the official word from them soon. Make sure you're subscribed so I can go ahead and keep you guys up to date when Nvidia gives the official launch date of the card. Now I'm sure a lot of you are still skeptical about the 3080 Ti and really any of the other GPUs being pushed by Nvidia at this time because the availability of these cards has just continued to be non-existent. I've made multiples of videos explaining why we are seeing such a huge demand for these GPUs, and most of you already know where this is headed. Mining has been one of the biggest contributors for this shortage that we are experiencing, mixed with scalpers and more demand from gamers and a shortage of silicon, which I totally only believe is a thing because of the prioritization of GPUs going to the black hole of demand for big time mining organizations. We are seeing insane prices for GPUs. The 3080 Ti is supposedly coming in with an MSRP of $999, but with 3080s going for $2K plus on the secondhand market, we may be seeing something closer to $2,500 to $3,000 for these GPUs.
Now I know what you're thinking. Big whoop. Who cares? So what? It's actually coming this time. But I'm not going to get a hold of it, and no one else is either. You know, you're probably right. It is probably going to be really difficult to get a hold of, just like everything else, and on the second-hand market, it's probably going to be absolutely ridiculously priced, just like everything else. But at least Nvidia is acting like they're trying to do something to solve the mining issue that they've caused.
Scalpers have been around since the beginning, so they won't be going away anytime soon, especially with the infinite demand coming from miners, so there isn't too much that can be done about them at this point. However, Nvidia is claiming that they will be making efforts to combat this yet again, much like they did with the 3060 launch, but not exactly like the 3060 failure that they had. Nvidia says they will be moving forward with all of their lineup featuring a crypto mining limiter, and it will actually work this time, so they say. If you guys have been keeping up with the GPU news, Nvidia claimed they were putting out an unhackable limiter on the RTX 3060 when it launched. This would make the 3060 very undesirable for a mining GPU, only to release a driver update that completely wiped off the limiter. They're claiming that this won't happen this time and they won't be making the same mistake again, but we will see how that pans out this next go around.
So I'm curious, do you guys think Nvidia is going to be trying to solve some of the damage that they've actually caused themselves? Do you think that this mining limiting thing will actually help and be able to stick this time? And are you guys interested in even trying to get the 3080 Ti? Let me know. I'm interested. If you did get some sort of value out of this video, I ask you please consider giving the video a like. It really does wonders for my channel, and it tells YouTube that I'm a decent channel and they recommend my videos for other people to see, and I potentially get the chance to help other people out. That's what we try to do on this channel. I do my best to help out wherever I can. I do tech news, how-tos, reviews, and PC builds, guys. So if that interests you, please hit that subscribe and hit that like button. I appreciate it. That's gonna do it for the video. I hope you can like. I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe. Specifically. We'll see you.